They are related. So bulging discs really is when the center of the disc shifts over and is putting pressure on that. It hasn't bursted through the mesh network, but it's pushing. It's like a balloon, but it's kind of squeezing out. A lot of people have bulging discs and they don't even realize it, and they don't have pain. That's just an accident waiting to happen. You've heard of these examples where people are like, I was brushing my teeth and I bent over to pick my toothbrush up and my back went out. And it's like, it wasn't the weight of the toothbrush. It was your body said, we've had enough. This is it. You haven't been dealing with this. We give up. We can't stabilize this anymore. And so then you have your disc goes, or you bulge, or you herniate. And a herniation of a disc is actually when that material exits the disc and actually comes out. It's still attached, but it's kind of like the jelly has been a little bit squirted out, and it's very pain generating. So that's why a lot of people will feel really severe pain with a herniated disc.